Now, the Sohrabuddin fake encounter case made headlines last year, and now his brother Rubabuddin claims that he is being harassed by policemen in his state. These attempts to arrest him, he says, are being made in connection with the local case, and he says that they are in fact just not correct. Well, he is expected to testify in the murders of his brother Sohrabuddin and sister-in-law Kausar B in Supreme Court in a few days. Joydeep Ray reports.
Rubabuddin, brother of Sohrabuddin, killed in a police encounter on the outskirts of Ahmedabad, claims the Gujarat police is trying to intimidate him. One from Gujarat, the other from Madhya Pradesh, raided his Ahmedabad home and attempted to arrest him.
बोले आप नीचे आओ, हमें आपसे काम है, मैं नीचे नहीं आऊँगा। फिर एक लेडीज पुलिस बोली कि आप पत्नी को लेके आओ, आप नीचे आओ, मैं नहीं आऊँगा। मैं शोर मचाया, वो भाग गए वो।
The alleged provocation for the police action. Rubabuddin's tenant in Ujjain, Rajendra Chapod, had filed a case against him 7 months ago. Chapod had accused Rubabuddin and 2 others of threatening him.
अगदा के राजेंद्र चपलोद द्वारा शिकायत की गई कि रुबाबुद्दीन द्वारा उसको मकान के संबंध में डराया धमकाया गया है.
Rubabuddin has now written to the Gujarat DGP demanding action against the officers harassing him. He's also written to the National Human Rights Commission complaining against the Madhya Pradesh policemen.
Gujarat police officials denied to comment on the issue and also refused all the allegations levelled against them by Rubabuddin. But the question here at this point is that if Rubabuddin has been charged for threatening his tenant at Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh, why Gujarat police officials had to involve them for his arrest?
Interestingly, while Chapod filed the complaint 7 months ago, it was converted into an FIR on 28th January, just 5 days before Rubabuddin is to appear before the Supreme Court. So it's the timing of the police action that's really raising eyebrows and worrying activists in this highly controversial case that has led to the arrest of several top police officers. With Mahesh Sharma in Ujjain and Joydeep Ray in Ahmedabad, Walay Singh for NDTV.